I rise in support of this bill. Millions of Australians interact with digital assets in some form, as developers, as investors, as users. As this form of payment technology becomes more ubiquitous, it will become part of the lives of many more of us. But until now, anyone buying or selling digital assets in Australia has done so in a regulatory grey zone that offered little protection for users and a lack of certainty for legitimate digital asset platforms. This bill is a critical step forward towards addressing this lack of regulatory clarity and comes not a moment too soon. Actually, one of the major criticisms, probably the biggest criticism I have of this bill, is the time that it has taken us to get here, because I think the need for this bill has been urgent and one that I've been pushing for since the previous parliament. This bill amends the Corporations Act and the Australian Securities and Investment Commission Acts to create a regulatory framework for digital asset platforms and cryptocurrency exchanges. It defines digital asset platforms and tokenised custody platforms as financial products and ensures these platforms are regulated according to Australian financial services law. This regulatory clarity will be a significant enabler of Australia's burgeoning digital assets industry. The Tech Council of Australia estimates that with the right regulatory and policy settings, digital assets could contribute $60 billion per year to Australia's GDP. The digital asset sector is also paving the way to modernising our financial infrastructure and has the potential to strengthen Australia's competitiveness as a technology and financial hub in the region. As technology changes, our regulation needs to be nimble to keep up. Our regulation should not get in the way of progress, but rather create the appropriate guardrails to seize new opportunities. Credible firms, in firms that are trying to do the right thing, they just want to know the rules by which they play by. Investors want confidence in the platforms on which they are buying and selling cryptocurrencies, and consumers want to be confident that they are reasonably protected from harm, regardless of whether the financial product they invest in is traditional or digital. I support this bill because I think it is an important forward step on all these fronts. Digital innovation is also a critical driver of productivity growth. This is a puzzle that Australia is struggling to solve, but it is essential if we are to ensure our economy continues to grow